Back in 2020, I started as a solo freelancer next to my school stuff. But over the last year, we quickly scaled our business and built up a team of 2 full-time developers and are rapidly growing. So we will found a GmbH, something like a LLC, beginning of next year. It all started as a hobby, which I started next to my apprenticeship. Now I am able to work full-time with my clients to realize their dream of their first game or metaverse. And also we help large companies with their first step into the metaverse to make their products or services virtually experienceable to stay in the customer's mind for long term. Also, this year we worked on many awesome privates and customer projects I want to show you in this video again. We also built the biggest German metaverse concert and worked on awesome VR training simulations for police people. Those are projects which I unfortunately can't show you in this video, but working on those projects was so awesome, and the results showed me again how much is possible to achieve in only 1 year. But it also showed me and my clients how much is possible using the metaverse applications which are running in a web browser or also generally in VR. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also want to thank you all for your support, and I'm very curious to see what will happen next year. If you don't want to miss any updates about the company and our next steps and how we pave the way for the metaverse, then you can also follow this channel and leave a like there. Thank you very much for watching and for your support. Take care and have an awesome 2023.